setting up my all-in-one tool for use. You need to download it from where it can be found at, extract it to a folder. It'll give you Linux and Windows. Don't worry about those files, they're not in it when you get it. So in this case, we're on Windows, so you will be given this. Okay, there will be an unlock.bin down here that has nothing. Generally this will be empty. You will see an example 1 and 2 here. I haven't used it for the Linux side yet, so see example 1, example 2. No space, just there to tell you where to put it. Windows is essentially the same way. Once you have extracted the images out from my zips, along with been given the password by me, generally you put them in here. So whether that be your routing files that are meant for the device, whether it be CPH or GN, or the modem files are not necessary. Let's see, yeah, like the RW files, the Verity disable files, those will all be in the zips when you download them. That once extracted, they have to be in here in order for them to work. Once you do that, then basically you double click on the .bat and it gives you this to start out with. Choose your device and then go from there. Now each area, like let's say GN2200, let's go into there. You've got unlock token, unlock bootloader, root, read write, all that. Okay. Now, each one of those is device specific, so you have to use it for the GN2200 or CPH2459. But the files that you download have to be in the images folder. So like if you have CPH2459 and you're working with C11, you have to grab the C11 2459 files and put the images in, or the .img files into the images folder to be able to use this. Once that is done, then you can go ahead and use this as normal. Now in this case, this is just a showcase, so we're not going to be doing that. So I'm going to go back to 1, show, oh shit, yep, press any key to continue. That was not what I wanted, so let's go 9, okay, let's go 2, see, unlock bootloader, root, select device. I will explain each one in the pertaining videos that some of them may have already been uploaded. In this case, we're going to go okay. Select device. Alright. So let's go 9 again. 3. So, yep. 1. Okay. 6. See, custom splash screens. This was originally done by Brandon, although he's not part of the group anymore. Just for posterity's sake, I wish to keep it in there. So yeah, that's a general rundown of the script.